vegetarian ploughman's lunch. And Sophie's refusing to speak on camera. But nodding is allowed. Some form of visual communication works for a video format. Even scowls. To the trains. So today me and Sophie are at Beaconscot Model Village with about a school full of young children. And some tourists. This is what we look like every day on the China line. We're at the Outer Scale Zoo, where flamingos are only a quarter of the size of an elephant. And there's a llama or alpaca horse-drawn cart. I'm guessing llama as it says llama rides GP.
And here we have Matthew stroking the cat,
Keeping away from the
who's
lizard.
watching the lizard.
Trim bowl, possibly.
Hello, lizard.
Both of us, we're at another railway museum. So we've got a little tank engine, a little train. We're going to go on another one this week. What they can't smell is the smell of the smoke. They're taking Thomas away from us. It's been a bad engine. It's going back to the island of Sodor. Hello. So we found our third railway of this holiday so far. We drove into Leighton Buzzard, going to look around the shops, and yeah, saw the brown signs to the railway, and we found this little narrow gauge line, which we'll experience in a bit when the train comes in.
Half an hour.
Half an hour.
when a player's last counter reaches the 5th wheel, he may turn that wheel even if it has just been turned by his opponent in the previous move. Play now continues with both players taking turns, turning the wheel.
Well, we found the peacock that your mum was talking about before she went away. Down here. 2 little tortoises. And a peacock further back. So, we're at Whipsnade, aren't we? Whipsnade Zoo, taking photos of pig's bottoms, apparently. There you go, you can see them behind me. My beautiful fiancée Sophie. Once upon a summer meadow, there were a field of sheep.
Before they come out, I need to make sure that you guys know to stay where you are, because these birds will be flying very close to you, and obviously there is a chance if you're standing up running around that they might bump into you and you might end up wearing our birds. So just stay where you are and it will minimise any chance of you guys wearing our birds here today. So, after that, we're going to move on to our first bird. So the first bird that's going to come out and join us today is the biggest bird of our demonstrations. Her name is Maggie, and when you see her, shout out what you think she is. A stork. Yes, a lot of people over here know that she is a stork. And she's a European white stork found in eastern northern parts of Europe. And these birds are a migratory species. They spend a lot of...
We have found the steam train enclosure at Whipsnade Zoo. We've got some funny sounding donkeys.
But they all are the statues.
They are, aren't they?
That
one's foot's quivering.
Huh?
Your foot does that when you're sleeping.
Really?